Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot, and today I'm going to show you how to get your first 100 subscribers. So the first step is um, you go to your channel under the YouTube Classic Classic Creator Studios, and you go to branding. And what happens over there is you may have to make sure to add branding that is similar to this to mine, which is the official subscribe button. Yes, this one. So you can easily find it. You have to put this one. So it's a bit similar to the subscribe button you usually see on many channels. So this should be on your entire video, this overlay. Now this is a very good practice, and once you do this you will find that more and more people are subscribing to your YouTube channel. I have already made a video about this in detail, so I'll post it in the description box. My second tip is to use end screen properly. So I'll go to my video manager, and here you can see under edit you go to end screens, and you see there is a you can use a template. So I'm using these official templates from YouTube. You can make your own as well. So there are two videos on the left and the right, and the middle one is the subscribe button. So what you need to do over here, the question is how you will use it. Well, you have to make sure you put your winner videos in these two boxes. So if you look at my end screen, I have put two winner videos of mine, my best viewed videos with the most watch time, and this will increase your traffic tremendously and bring you more and more subscribers. So you have to do this practice. And my third and final tip for today is I'll go to watchmojo.com, and I'm going to tell you that have posted on their banner that they are posting 5 to 6 videos every day, scheduled 5 to 6 videos every day. So they have done this achievement, this big channel, and in fact they're sometimes posting 7 videos a day as well. So if you are posting more videos consistently for 1 year minimum, for 1 year minimum, you can easily get a lot of subscribers. And this is a big example. A smaller example is one of my friend, and I have Tex Owlbear, and he always posts videos every day. From the last 3 years I know about him, and he has over 2300 videos posted, but he is posting on a tight schedule, 3 to 4 videos every day. But you will ask me the question, he has only got 770,000 views or something. The question is not this. This amount should be multiplied by 10 or 20 minimum, and this guy has over 17 million views, actual views, because the watch time is more important. His videos are more than 30 minutes long, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes 1 hour long. So he is consistently posting, and this is boosting his stats. He's getting a lot of views. So these 3 tips are here for today. My next video, the tutorial for YouTube growth series, I will be sharing a method on how to easily make a custom end screen template for YouTube, for your YouTube videos. Hang in there. I'll be coming back with a new tutorial, and let me know in the comment section if these three steps are improving your subscriber rate. Thank you so much. I'll be signing off. Take care.